Welcome back to today's commentary, and today we just want to look at this detailed tutorial on how you can do your half up half down. Detailed, when I say detailed I mean detailed. So she really took her time to put us through the process, and the end result you're going to love. Can you see the pack of extension that was used? This video has been a long time video. I forgot to post at that time, so I cannot even remember the creator's name, but hopefully one of these days I will find her and come back to tag her in this video. But she actually did a good job, and the end result of this, you're going to love it. So just take your time to learn the simple process, and that if you have not gotten how to do this particular hairstyle, but if you have gotten it, there may be no need, or you just want to practice or do it on yourself, then you can actually refresh your memory of this hairstyle through this video. All right, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and do so, and you will thank me later. All right, see you in the next commentary video. Bye.